Hi, Leah Anderson here, Mayor of Port Stephens. Joining me this afternoon is Councillor Nathan Errington, East Ward Councillor. We want to give you a couple of highlights from last night's council meeting. Now, in particular, there were three really exciting notice of motions. The first one's been a really hot topic of late, jet skis in Port Stephens. I'm really pleased to say that was unanimously supported by the council. So our advocacy to the state government will be requesting a review of jet ski legislation, speed limits, safe beach access and peak times enforcement. So that was a really good one. Very pleased, Nathan, that got through unanimous. Now, the next one was a motion put up by Councillors Watson and Nyland around waste and public place cleaning. Now, I particularly noticed such a great improvement in the East Ward compared to the last peak season. I really want to thank Council for focusing on the improvements that we've had made there. But unfortunately, we've got a little bit more work to do. So in particular, Karua and the Tillagary, we've got to re-look at a review of those public place cleaning and waste collection. So Council's going to be doing that for us. Again, unanimously supported. Now I'm going to hand over to Nathan. He brought a great motion to Council last night.
Thanks, Leah. Yeah, I brought a notice of motion to be a bid for 2026 NRL World Cup. So to host a team here in Port Stephens LGA, and that was supported by all council. So it's going to be a great thing for tourism. Also, rugby league women in sport, as that sport is growing in the rugby league world.
Absolutely. Yes. So well done, Nathan. That was a brilliant notice of motion, a really good one and very well supported by the council.
Yes, thank you.
So that's our wrap up for the first council meeting for this year.